we must admit we have not been as transparent and as accountable on spectrum of areas as we are expected to be. My name is Patrick Chisanga, Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Mansa in Zambia. I'm delighted to participate in the program on transparency and accountability for my own sake, for my ongoing formation, but also for the diocese, the people of God entrusted to my pastoral care. One would wonder what would be the major obstacle to this lack of transparency and accountability. I think in many cases, the systems, the structures in the church, in society, many areas have not favored or supported transparency. The structures would hide or let go of smaller incidences, and this would build to bigger issues. The workshop has been very useful. Every presenter seems to be pointing to the same need for transparency and accountability. I remember Professor Solomon Richard talking about numbers, budgeting, controls, all those systems, because there is need to have systems where everything is recorded and put in place in order to be able to be transparent and accountable.
Attack is the best form of defense.
I'll need to refine our finance council. I need to put experts in place so that it plays an effective oversight role on our financial administrator. Everything is recorded, and at the end of the day, we have a report like the one that was shared with us, that is published and that can explain how we are handling things. I think openness and transparency itself creates more trust. It is time that the structures within the Church Universal and the Church particular, like my diocese, would take serious account of the need to be transparent in the manner we conduct ourselves, how we account for the temporal goods and for the responsibilities that we are given.